Do you ever wonder where we would have been if we had never met? And I hadn't held you yet. Lately I've been feeling more than just a feeling. I'd give all that I am just to say that I'm your man. Sometimes I feel I'm dreaming. You're too good to be true. I'd spend all of my hours just to prove it to you. My whole life just to hold your hand and do it all again just for you to understand that I won't leave your side if things don't go as planned. I give all I have, yes, I will be your man. I will be your man.
We are here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments and to give recognition to the worth and splendor of love. This ceremony is a tribute to your companionship and mutual respect. It is a celebration of the common ground that brought you together, as well as the strength and support that you provide for each other every day. It symbolizes your wonderful commitment to honor your differences while also merging your most deeply held common values. Your journey began way before you chose this beautiful location, or even decided to spend the rest of your lives together. It began when you first met during junior year at UNC in 2017. You took the time to learn what makes the other person smile, what makes her laugh, and how to best support him when life is less than simple. You welcomed each other's families, communities, and lifelong friends, and you joined them together with warmth and enthusiasm. You built a new village with your love and have worked every day to support this village as it changes and grows. Marriages bring hard days, just as they bring beautiful ones. This day is a reminder of what your love has already accomplished and the amazing possibilities of what it can continue to accomplish and overcome in the many, many years ahead of you. In Europe, until the mid-1700s, few unions were sanctified in a church or synagogue. Rather, they were celebrated by a simple hand-fasting ceremony in which the two partners joined hands over the village anvil, in the fields or in a grove of trees. This binding of the hands was a sign of their steadfast commitment to one another, and today we build upon this tradition. Lauren and Ben, will both of you look for the brightness in life and the positive in each other?
Yes, we will.
Will you dream together to create new realities and hopes?
We will.
Will you share each other's burdens so that your spirits may grow in this union?
We will.
And so the binding is made.
Lauren, the last 7 years have flown by in a flash, and yet I can barely remember time as an adult when we weren't together. We have so many wonderful memories that it's truly hard to imagine navigating life without you. Whether it's traveling, outdoor adventures, taking care of cats, or simply a quiet day at home, your presence makes my world a much better place. You bring such love, care, and sometimes much needed direction to my life that I would not be half the man I am today without you. Today we take another step together that I believe we have both seen coming for a very long time. I've never been more sure of anything in my life than the day I asked to spend the rest of it with you. Your warmth and caring nature has been for me a solid foundation to the life we've built together. I know that you always have my back, and that gives me the strength to take on anything. And so, I vow to always be right there with you when life becomes difficult and to make you laugh when you need it most. I promise to give both advice and a listening ear to help you navigate life as you often help me. I promise to be patient, understanding, and forgiving because at the end of the day, my steadfast love for you surpasses any barrier between us. And finally, I promise to always love and treasure you with all of my heart and all of my soul. You're the most important part of my life, and I can't wait to see where it leads with you at my side.
Ben, who knew that a coffee cup full of flowers and a forehead kiss could rock one's world? But you sure changed mine for the better 7 years ago with just that. You've had my heart ever since, and I cannot imagine life without you in it. Because falling in love with you wasn't falling at all. It was walking into a house and knowing I was home. A home that was built with your innate kindness and your infinite amount of patience, where I feel safe and supported no matter what life brings. You celebrate my strengths, forgive my faults, and make me want to be a better person every day. As our journey continues, I make these vows to you. Vows that will continue to evolve throughout our life together. Vows that I'll work hard to uphold, to remember, and to hold dear from now and every day that follows. I promise to stand alongside you steadfast, to celebrate your accomplishments, to console you during trying times, and to be your lifelong confidant. I promise not just to listen to you, but strive to understand you, so that you always feel heard. I promise to cherish you for who you are today and who you'll become every day thereafter, that our bond may be everlasting as we grow old together. And above all else, I vow to uphold my original promise the first year we met and to continue loving you until the end of time. I see these vows not just as privileges, and I look forward to spending a lifetime with you as your wife.
Happy is the bride that rain falls on. May your mornings bring joy and your evenings bring peace. May your troubles grow few as your blessings increase. May the saddest day of your future be no worse than the happiest day of your past. May your hands be forever clasped in friendship and your hearts joined forever in love. Your lives are very special. God has touched you in many ways. May his blessings rest upon you and fill all your coming days. We swear by peace and love to stand heart to heart and hand to hand. Hark, O Spirit, and hear us now, confirming this our sacred vow. And now, it is with such joy that I send you out into the world to spread the beautiful light you share with those around you. By the power vested in me by the states of North Carolina and Tennessee, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
I'll treat you